Hi everyone, you are most welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved my tribal makeup look, my Wakanda style. It was International Community Sunday at my church and everyone dressed in foreign apparels, and I chose to do my makeup or represent a country with my makeup, like a South African or Kenyan. So if you're a South African or Kenyan, hello, shout outs to you. I am not going to go through this process because I have done this makeup look almost all the time, and it's basically the process that I have been using if you have been following me for some time now. And so I'm not going to bore you with all the process. Just keep watching, relax, and then when it gets to the part where I start applying the tribal marks, I would come back again with the voiceover. So please relax and stay tuned, keep it locked. If you don't know me, my name is Juliana. You are most welcome to my channel. I do videos on makeup, hair, like the hair I'm wearing. I do makeup, hair, and then I also do home decor videos, like room decor videos, like the one behind me that looks like a feather. It's also on my channel as well. So you are most welcome. This channel is for everyone. Keep it locked and stay tuned and enjoy. I am going to come back again with this voiceover when I get to the part where I started applying the tribal looks. So do stay tuned. Hi again. If you have stayed through to this end, thank you so much for being a faithful servant. Thank you. God bless you. So I am just applying the setting powder on my face, and I'll go straight ahead into applying my tribal marks. And here I am using my highlighter and facial spray, and I'm going to scoop some the whiter part, because I want the marks to be as bright as possible. So I'm using the whiter part and mixing it with the Q-tip together with the spray. So I sprayed on the container and then poured in the scooped highlighter, and then I use a Q-tip to move alongside my eyebrows according to the shape that I have made. I realized that the Q-tip was sucking all the highlighter, so I changed it and used a smaller brush. And I used the dots and followed my eyebrows just as I am doing. I really didn't have a formula. I just chanced on a particular picture, and then I modified it and then created my own look for my tribal or my Wakanda style. And then for my cheeks, I did 5 dots at each part. Yes, I counted the dots on my cheeks because I didn't want it to be too messy. But then on my eyebrow, I didn't count it, so I repeated the same thing at the other side of my cheek. And then I came down to my nose, or my upper lips, and then I drew 2 lines, and then I went down to my chin and then drew 2 lines as well. And at this point I thought it was looking good, and yeah, and I thought, well, maybe I can do something to my nose as well. So I started doing some pointers at my nose as well. Maybe, I don't know, but then it turned out to be okay for me, so I enjoyed it. And then I went over to my eye, and then I did 3 dots at where I had drawn my cat eye. So I was confirming from my husband if the look was okay. I was feeling myself and crashing on myself. And then I went to get dressed properly, and then I just tried to put on some earrings to match my waist belt, and ta-da, this is how it looked. I loved it. If you haven't watched this hair tutorial, I would recommend the video for you. It's on my channel right now as I am talking. Yes, baby. And then yeah, it's looking good, isn't it? And then my husband was like, okay, maybe it would be good if I strike a line over my nose. I was like, okay, let's try it and see. And then I grabbed my brush and then just drew it on my nose, and it still looked good anyway. Which of the looks do you prefer? So yeah, thank you all so much. I love you for watching and for subscribing. See you in my next video. Bye.